Imagine arriving at a destination where the journey itself feels less impressive than the moment your vehicle quietly transforms into a private luxury residence. That is the remarkable promise surrounding the Mercedes-Benz Grand Palazzo Imperiale 2026, a motorhome concept that redefines what traveling in complete comfort can mean. Instead of simply offering transportation, it presents the idea of carrying a sophisticated lifestyle wherever the road leads. In an era where luxury has become increasingly personal, this extraordinary creation suggests that true freedom is no longer measured by speed alone, but by the ability to enjoy every mile without sacrificing elegance, privacy, or convenience. It challenges everything people normally expect from a premium recreational vehicle, and that alone makes it impossible to ignore. The Grand Palazzo Imperiale represents far more than another oversized camper. It reflects a vision where the trusted engineering reputation of Mercedes-Benz meets the growing desire for luxurious long-distance travel. While available information indicates this project is intended as an ultra-premium motorhome concept rather than a widely produced model, its ambition is clear. Every detail appears designed to create an experience closer to staying inside an exclusive boutique hotel than spending days on the highway. That shift in philosophy immediately separates it from ordinary motorhomes. Its commanding appearance speaks before a single door opens. The proportions are bold without appearing excessive, balancing prestige with refined elegance. Smooth body lines, carefully integrated lighting, and premium exterior finishes create a presence that feels sophisticated from every angle. Rather than chasing aggressive styling, the design embraces confidence through simplicity. Large panoramic windows hint at the luxurious environment waiting inside, while allowing natural light to become part of the experience. Every surface appears carefully considered, creating the impression that craftsmanship matters just as much as engineering. Step inside, and the atmosphere becomes the true centerpiece. Rich materials, elegant textures, and carefully selected colors combine to create an environment that feels calm from the first moment. Instead of treating the cabin as merely functional, the entire interior appears arranged like an upscale living suite. Comfortable seating encourages relaxation during long journeys, while thoughtfully designed storage solutions help maintain a clean and uncluttered space. Every corner seems intended to make extended travel feel effortless rather than demanding. Technology supports that atmosphere without overwhelming it. Digital displays, intelligent lighting, and advanced connectivity are expected to work quietly in the background, making daily life easier instead of distracting from it. Modern travelers increasingly expect seamless integration between work, entertainment, and relaxation, and the Grand Palazzo Imperiale appears ready to embrace that lifestyle. Whether enjoying peaceful evenings parked beside a mountain lake or planning the next destination from a scenic coastline, convenience remains at the center of the experience. Living inside a luxury motorhome also requires practical thinking. Flexible spaces become incredibly valuable during extended trips, and reports suggest this concept emphasizes versatility alongside elegance. Areas designed for dining, relaxing, and resting appear capable of adapting throughout the day without feeling cramped. Premium kitchens, comfortable sleeping quarters, and carefully planned bathroom facilities contribute to an environment where every essential function blends naturally into the overall design. That harmony is often what separates exceptional motorhomes from merely expensive ones. Mercedes-Benz has built its reputation through engineering excellence, so expectations naturally extend beyond luxury alone. Official technical specifications for the Grand Palazzo Imperiale remain limited, meaning confirmed details regarding its powertrain, performance figures, or efficiency have not been fully released. However, if developed around a proven Mercedes commercial vehicle platform, buyers could reasonably expect dependable long-distance capability, refined driving manners, and confidence during extended touring. Those qualities matter far more in this category than dramatic acceleration numbers. Comfort behind the wheel becomes equally important. Long journeys demand supportive seating, excellent visibility, and driver assistance systems that reduce fatigue over countless highway miles. Based on Mercedes-Benz expertise across its commercial vehicle lineup, advanced safety technologies and intelligent driver support would likely play an important role if this remarkable concept reached production. Features designed to monitor surroundings, assist during challenging maneuvers, and enhanced stability would perfectly match the expectations associated with such a premium creation. Although complete mechanical information remains unavailable, the overall philosophy behind this project appears remarkably clear. Instead of chasing headline performance statistics, the emphasis seems focused on creating an effortless touring experience where refinement takes priority over outright speed. Every journey should feel smooth, composed, and relaxing, regardless of whether the route crosses busy motorways or peaceful countryside roads. That balance between comfort, confidence, and durability is exactly what experienced travelers appreciate most during extended adventures. The interior is expected to support that same philosophy, with generous living space, carefully selected materials, intelligent storage, and a welcoming atmosphere that encourages passengers to slow down and enjoy every destination. Large windows could flood the cabin with natural light, while premium furnishings may create an environment that feels closer to a luxury apartment than a traditional recreational vehicle. Quiet surroundings, practical layouts, and thoughtful conveniences would help transform ordinary road trips into memorable experiences shared with family or close friends. Of course, projects of this scale rarely arrive without compromises. Extreme luxury naturally places this motorhome beyond the reach of most buyers, and any future production version would almost certainly carry an exceptionally high price. Its impressive dimensions could also require greater planning when navigating narrower roads or compact urban environments. Yet those considerations are understandable because this vehicle is not intended for ordinary commuting. It exists for people who view travel itself as an experience worth elevating beyond conventional expectations. Ultimately, the Mercedes-Benz Grand Palazzo Imperiale 2026 is about possibility more in transportation. It imagines a future where home, adventure, luxury, and freedom travel together without compromise. Even if many details remain conceptual today, the vision alone demonstrates how premium mobility continues evolving toward richer experiences instead of simply faster journeys. For travelers who dream beyond traditional limits, this remarkable motorhome represents an inspiring glimpse into what tomorrow could become. If you enjoy discovering extraordinary vehicles that redefine automotive luxury, make sure you subscribe to Jack Motorlux and join us for the next unforgettable journey. Whether parked beside a quiet lake, overlooking mountain scenery, or resting along a coastal highway, the Grand Palazzo Imperiale is expected to make every stop feel intentional rather than temporary. Owners would not simply arrive somewhere. They would bring their preferred lifestyle with them. That emotional connection separates premium motorhomes from ordinary recreational vehicles. Instead of rushing toward the next destination, travelers can enjoy the changing landscape, spend meaningful time together, and appreciate the freedom to choose their own schedule. That combination of luxury, practicality, and independence is precisely why this concept continues attracting attention despite the limited official information currently available. Its appeal comes from the promise of effortless exploration without abandoning comfort or sophistication. If future development remains faithful to this vision, it could become one of the most desirable luxury motorhomes ever imagined, inspiring travelers to rethink what life on the road